The Ribhoi People's Council, led by President Jason Lennox Nongrum, has approached the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District over several issues. These include the delayed payment to sumo drivers who provided free services during the COVID-19 pandemic, with drivers given a 15-day deadline to receive their wages or face protests, and concerns about overloaded vehicles using the Lailat Bridge risking its collapse, and called for urgent improvements to the poorly maintained Nongport Town shopping complex, which has become a dumping ground and hinders local development.
Ai kata import audisi baun pelai no itu bisa jungi ke badang dan badang syala nadu arjar arpowe adu arjar arsaungi sep mun semia resi tengkaro kadang ngiwan audisi ngiwan menkan mau yang sisin lada ula ban lek kam kloi ke bisa jungi lada ngimio ya kene ke bisa kum gini ki por mar ngilawan kenang ne ngilai por audisi kasan singi hadin kasan singi lada ngimio ya kene ke bisa ngimban se bangni rai da kano rai
ka sengi kadang yo ki jingtip ki bolong tikna baki kali ki bakit palat put kidang yai lengba ka jingking ya ka ba ngi skwa ban bu tang ya ka jingkentu bakane kamdi ka kam jongi kum ka seng lane kamdi ka kam jong uno we arngut ki nong shinong kane ka di nam ta ka yap ka im jong ka dong bat ka than dor ka we la ba pilej ya pu jingking lailan hakipor janmit ngi yo i baki kali ki bakit palat put ka jingking kamlong shu bandang hap ya ki kali he namar ba ka shok sira du kata-kata